Let's get into some of the specifications on this 265cc 4-cycle motor. Is an electric start. It holds 3.6 quarts of gas, 3.5 liters. It has a throw distance of 45 feet or 13.5 meters. The clearing width is 28 inches or 71 centimeters. It has automatic steering, 6 forward, 2 reverse, anti-clogging system, a 21.5 inch height cut, a reinforced handle, a quick stick. This snowblower weighs 264 pounds or 120 kilograms. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty or 45-day warranty for commercial. Toro already gives you a really good warranty, but if you want to extend your warranty for 1 more year, you can buy a Toro kit. This is about $20. What you get in the kit is your Toro oil. It's 530 cold weather Toro oil. You already need this. Then you get a fuel treatment. And it also comes with a spark plug. This is the spark plug number. Thank you everyone for watching. I have another video that's a full walk around. It shows all the features and how the snowblower works. I have another video of this snowblower in action. Have a great day.